Step 1. Make sure you qualify before anything else. To apply for a California BSIS Firearms Permit, you must already hold a qualifying BSIS license or registration. For most people, that means being a registered security guard. You also have to be at least 21 years old and legally allowed to possess a firearm under state and federal law. Step 2. Pass the Firearms Assessment before you submit your initial permit application. BSIS requires initial applicants to pass the assessment first. The assessment is used to determine whether you demonstrate the judgment, restraint, and self-control needed to carry a firearm while working security. Step 3. Schedule the assessment through PSI. The current assessment fee is $69 paid directly to PSI, and the fee is non-refundable. When registering, the name on your PSI account needs to match your current government-issued ID exactly. BSIS says you must pass this assessment before filing your initial firearms permit application. Step 4. Understand the result and timing rules. After you complete the assessment, PSI gives you a result. If you pass, move forward with training and your application. If you don't pass, BSIS requires you to wait 180 days before retaking it. Also, your passing assessment must be within the 6 months before you submit your initial firearms permit application. If you find the content helpful, consider becoming a YouTube member for access to perks like badges, emojis, member shoutouts, and early access videos. Thanks to my current members, Redeveret, Colonia, and Wendblend for their support. Step 5. Complete the required firearms training through a Bureau-certified instructor and training facility. BSIS requires approximately 14 hours total, 8 hours of classroom instruction, and 6 hours of range training. At the end, you must pass the written exam and the range qualification. Training costs are set by the training school, not BSIS, so prices can vary. Step 6. After passing the assessment and completing training, submit your initial firearms permit application to BSIS. The current initial application fee is $110. BSIS strongly recommends applying online through Breeze for faster processing, although paper filing still exists. Make sure the application is fully completed and the training section is filled out by the firearms instructor, not by you. Step 7. Don't carry a firearm on duty until BSIS issues the firearms permit. Completing the class doesn't give you armed authority by itself. Passing the assessment doesn't give you armed authority by itself. You need the actual BSIS firearms permit issued and valid before you carry armed as a security guard. Step 8. So this is the updated order. First, make sure you qualify. Second, pass the BSIS Firearms Assessment. Third, complete the required firearms training and qualification. Fourth, submit your initial application to BSIS through Breeze or by mail. And fifth, wait for the permit to be issued before carrying on duty. That's the current process. For helpful tools and guides to get you started in your security journey, check out guardguides.com and my Etsy page. Also, feel free to join in on the discussion on my subreddit r/guardguides. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.